Sometimes we have to use the CI scale with the tangent scale, and we can't just use the C and D scale like we do for S and cosine. If you look at C and D, it goes from 1 to 10 all the way down to the other end. The S scale goes from 5.7, it eventually goes up to 90 degrees. So that's a right triangle. So about 44.5 degrees on the sine scale is zero point 0.7, and that matches there. But when we look at the tangent scale, that starts also around 5.7. But if we go all the way down to the end, we notice it doesn't go to 90 degrees, it goes to half of that, 45 degrees. Now, if we were to look at 35, let's say 36 degrees tangent, that would come out to 0.725-ish. And it says so on the calculator too. But we start getting up to 45 and eventually it gets to 1. So if we ever do division and it's not a decimal point number, it comes out to 1.2 or 2.3, then we know that we need to go backwards to those red numbers, 45, 50, 55, and we'll just get higher than a 45-degree angle. C and D only goes up to 1. We can't go any higher than that. So what we need to use is flip onto the back. Now we have the CI scale, and then that's where you would do it. So let's say we had 1.5 was our product. So we would have to slide to 1.5 right there, and then we would flip over and get our answer on those red numbers going right to left. So we'd be at about 56.4 degrees.